Good morning. I am Professor Rajendra Prasad, Director Medical Education and Head Department of Pulmonary Medicine, ERAS Lucknow Medical College, Lucknow. I have been former Director, Vallabhbhai Patel Chest Institute, Delhi, Institute of Medical Sciences, now it is Medical University, Saipai, and I have been former Professor and Head Department of Pulmonary Medicine, King George Medical University, Lucknow. Today is 26th June 2021. As you all know that second wave of COVID is regressing, and today, as all you know, that we have come near about 50,000 people are infected every day, and about 1100 people are dying every day. We are in fear of third wave. Now people are talking. The third wave is, whether it will come, it will not come, the future will tell. But one thing is very definite. Virus is with us. It has not still been wiped off. It is also mutating, as every virus does. This is a fight between virus and human race. So virus naturally to live, to propagate, it will mutate. So mutation, as you have heard, Delta plus mutation has already come in India. The second the fury of the second wave we have seen, it was because of Delta, mainly because of, now the genome sequencing has proven that 90% of the second wave was because of the Delta. So one thing is very clear, if Delta plus is there and it is going to propagate, it will be again, it will behave like Delta, means it will be very infective. So if we want to prevent the third wave, I suggest 4 very important issues. First thing which will prevent the third wave to come is the rapid vaccination. Government is doing all effort, and public participation is very important so that majority of the people get vaccinated as early as possible. Second issue, if you want to prevent or to delay or to less dangerous, what COVID appropriate behavior is also very important. It is not less than a vaccine. And you know, I need not to repeat COVID appropriate behavior. Let me repeat again that we have to wear mask whenever you go outside, avoid crowded places. Crowd of any type is not good. So you have to sanitize your hands frequently. So COVID appropriate behavior observance is very, very important to prevent the third wave. Community awareness is also very important. Although a lot of community awareness has happened because of the 2 waves, but always the community has to participate, they have to be made aware, everybody has to take vaccine. And the fourth thing which will prevent, the quick imposition of restrictions, what name you can give, curfew, whatever, will be important if the cases begin to rise. That's why the testing is also very important. Genome sequencing is also very important, that which variant, what are the changes. So they all things are very important. If we want to prevent the third wave, we have to behave very sensibly. It is duty of every citizen to follow these rules, and for the government also to follow these rules, because why the restrictions at appropriate step will be important, because you have seen in the second wave there is a surge of large number of cases. So our hospitals, our healthcare staff got overwhelmed, and if you overload the hospital infra, everything is going to be problem. So that is why the restriction at appropriate stage, testing, finding out where are the cases, and then advising some restrictions. If you follow these things, probably the third wave, either it will not come, or it will be, if it is come, it will be less serious. Thank you very much.